How to add copier settings in Trades Copier. Hey, welcome to Trades Copier. Let's start copying. Go to the Manage Copiers button on the far left and click Add Copier Settings here in the top right. Then select your copy from account. This will be your master account. I'm going to select account A, then select your copy to account. This will be your slave account. I'm going to select account B. Now we have a risk type setting. There are 3 types of lot size multiplier, fixed, and balance-based multiplier. The lot size is determined by multiplying a base value. For example, if the master lot size is 1.5 and the multiplier is 2, then the client lot size will be 3. Fixed lot. The lot size is set to a fixed amount. Suppose we set lot size 0.5 on master side. On slave side, same lot size will be placed of 0.5. Balance-based multiplier. The lot size is calculated based on the account balance and a multiplier value. If multiplier is 1, let's say we have 1,000 balance. In master side, then slave have 2,000 balance and multiplier is set to 1. On the basis of balance, master opens a trade of lot size 1. Then on slave side, the lot size will be of 2 based on balance 2,000. If multiplier is 2, let's say we have 1,000 balance. In master side and slave have 2,000 balance and multiplier is set to 2. On the basis of balance, master opens a trade of lot size 1. Then on slave side, the lot size will be a 4 based on balance 2,000. I'm going to select fixed for now. Now add the risk value. Then we have advanced settings. Here we have reverse trading feature. Reverse trading is a strategy in which the client account automatically takes the opposite trade to the master account. This means if the master account places a buy order, the client account places a sell order, and if the master account placed the sell order, the client account places the buy order. Min lot filter. Lot filter is a feature that allows traders to set specific conditions on the lot size for their trades. A trader sets a lot filter to only allow trade 0.2 lots. If an order is placed for 0.5 lots, it will be rejected because it does not meet the minimum lot size of 0.2 orders equal or greater. Then 0.2 lots will be accepted and executed. Add direction. There are 3 options and directions: buy only, sell only, and both. I'm going to select both for now. Points variation. Specify the allowed variation in points for a trade. This sets the range within which trade entries can differ from the original signal in terms of points. Master account has a value of 1.74154, and slave has a value of 1.84154. You can see there is a price difference between both of the value in master and slave. In that case, if the value difference is less than points variation value, we can copy that trade, otherwise skip that trade. Exclude symbol. Specify any symbols. For example, currency pairs that you want to exclude from trading, this field is optional. Now we have source symbol and mapped symbol. Let's say master have a symbol of XAUUSD, but in slave account, we have symbol gold. In that case, we use symbol mapping to solve this problem. Source symbol, enter the symbol of the asset you want to use as the reference for the trade. Mapped symbol, enter the symbol of the asset where the trades will be executed, mapping it to the source symbol. Click on Save, and you've successfully added the master copier. Wait for tech connection for 1 to 2 minutes for the first time. If your info is correct, then it will show connected. In case if it shows not connected, then recheck your accounts information from Manage Accounts.